Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to install Roop in Stable Diffusion? This tutorial will guide you throughout the download, configuration and installation process to integrate Roop into your setup. Let's get Roop installed and working. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, we need to understand what is Roop. So Roop is a very unique AI tool, or basically technology that has been invested. It's very dangerous, that it can be very useful sometimes. Now the dangerous side of Roop is basically the fact that you can change the pictures or the faces on any kind of picture. For example, as you can see here, this is the image that we have of the first character. Here we have Taylor Swift, and here we somehow managed to put Taylor Swift's face instead of the original face. So Roop is an AI software to replace faces in your images or videos with another face. Here are the links of the original software and GitHub installation guide for Stable Diffusion Web UI. Now, as you saw, this tool is very useful, and at the same time you can get it. It can be very dangerous, especially when you can change picture on images and maybe even videos. So the privacy of person identity can be ruined just like that. Now, how can we replace faces with Roop in Stable Diffusion? Well, if you don't have Stable Diffusion Web UI installed, go to install Stable Diffusion Web UI on Windows. So this is the article that talks about it. So what is here, we have like full integration, go to Python to download the latest version, etc. You can find this article, you can take a screenshot right now. It has 6 steps which are pretty simple, nothing complicated about them. You have to simply copy a couple of commands and go to sample directories and you'll be good to go. Now after that, go to your Visual Studio download page, select community and click free download. Run the installer and select 3 elements to install: Python development, Desktop++, and Visual Studio extension development. After that, go to the directory Stable Diffusion Web UI /v environment. If you don't see inside face folder, open DOS command and run $pipe install inside face == 0.7.3. Then open Stable Diffusion Web UI, click extension tab and click load from. Search for Roop and click install. If you see 401 unauthorized error, download ainswapper 128.nx from Hugging Face or Google Drive. Copy ainswapper to models/Roop. And then restart Stable Diffusion Web UI. Select the checkpoints such as Realistic Vision V30. Note some checkpoints such as SDL XL based 1.0 may not work. Then in from image to image tab, enter your prompt, load a picture with a face, decrease the notion strength to 0.1 and expand Roop version 0.02. Underneath, load an image with another face, check enable, then click generate button. So it is as simple as that. And here we can find like more detailed like pictures that are talking about it. So this is Visual Studio Code, guys. This is the one. Then you have to install it on your PC. Then you have to download Python, Desktop++, and of course the extension. And then you have to write this pip install inside face so you can have it in your command.exe. And once you're done that, you are simply gonna have it ready. Then you will be opening automatic 1111. Here we need to install the Roop extension on your PC. For the first, go extension tab, then click on available and select on load from button. As you can see, select on load from, and this screen or search box, type Roop, as you can see right here. Then on the list, just click on install the button presented over the right side of the list. The installation process for the Roop extension will be proceeded. The installation will be according to your network speed, of course. Then after getting installed, just restart again automatic 1111 to get the changes into effect. At the first stage of starting it will take some time to start. So this is the picture here we go. You can adjust everything here, as you can see, and here we have Roop that we wanted. So next, go to text in the image tab, and you will see a new extension has been added called Roop, as you are seeing in the above illustrated image. Using Roop extension with image generation, so or on in-painting model as well, but here we have used image to image to make you understand as simple as it is. So swapping face with a single subject on image, you can just drag the image right here, and now just drop the image, click on image to image tab presented over the left side on automatic 1111 dashboard, as you can see for example in here, and then click on integrate clip button, then go to Roop again, just drag the image again, and as you can see the image will be like that. Click on enabled, restore face, make sure that this is GFP-GAN, and you can choose the upscale scale to be 1, upscale visibility 1, and the restore visibility 1. So this is very important, or you can simply just play with it, and then you can change it to these amounts. So as you can see, sampling steps, you have to go to 20, width resize to 516, height make it 768, pass count 117, this one has to be 0, and just like that you will be able to change the face on a couple of pictures that you have. Now you can even swap face with single subjects on image. You can, for example, subject 1, subject 2, so you can choose exactly which face you would like to change the face of it, the facial expression of it. So for example, here we have two models or two subjects, which are subject 1 and subject 2. Now with this you can actually choose which one or which face to actually change and keep the other one safe. So for example, as you can see, let's go through the same steps: upload the image, enable the same things, and first subject face swapped, as you can see. So now just drag and drop, select the number starting from 0, the face number you want to replace with, and then you simply have to link, in your case, want to select first objects, so into the comma separated face number we have to set the value 0 and click generate. It's as simple as that, guys. So here just put it at 0, and then you will be able to change the first subject. In case you would like to change both or the second one, then you have to go and turn it to 1, because 0 is 1 and 1 is 2, so you got the idea of it. And yeah, this is basically it, guys. This is how you can actually swap the faces using Roop. And guys, please do not use this extension or tool for illegal purposes. Make sure to use it only for scientist thing, technology things, just to develop something that you're gonna sell as something that will help companies in the future and help humanity. But do not do this for illegal things. And that was it, guys, for today's video. Thank you all for watching.